Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. Let's hear the headlines first. Hina Khan reveals she was scared during dubbing, says an actor's life is tough. Rashmi Desai picks up learning photography as her new hobby. Abhay Deol boycotted the awards after he and Farhan Akhtar were demoted to supporting actors in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. During the trying times, Amitabh Bachchan shares a piece of wisdom for his late father. Richa Chadda mourns Ali Afzal Fazal's mother's demise, promised to take care of her son. Kunal Khemu shares a picture with his personal sunshine, Inaya Naomi Khemu. Hardik Pandya is leaving no stone unturned to pamper wife Natasha during pregnancy. Sunny Leone is in the love with California Air and we couldn't agree more. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan mourns the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. And lastly, Fatima Sana Sheikh wants to see Shah Rukh Khan strip on Mumbai streets. These were the headlines. Now let's jump into the details news now. With the Maharashtra government giving permission to start film and television shoots and production work, many celebrities have started to get back to work. TV star Hina Khan is one of the actors who has resumed work. However, she said that she does not feel safe while doing so. The actress was dubbing for one of her projects and took to her Instagram handle to share the experience. Sharing her picture from her visit to the dubbing studio, she explained how difficult the life of an actor is. Work, 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 dubbing, shit, scared, she wrote in her first post as she entered the studio. Rashmi Desai is one of the most talked about actresses on television. She manages to leave her fans gushing over the simplest of posts on her social media. During the lockdown, Rashmi Desai has made sure to keep herself busy with either impromptu photo shoots or learning new skills. Her recent pictures have seen absolutely mesmerizing, and now she has taken up on a new hobby. She had recently shared a video of her getting a guitar strumming tutorial from her young neighbor, and now she is keen on learning photography. Actor Abhay Deol might not have done many films, but has always delivered quality content. His performance as Kabir in the film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was much appreciated and loved by the audience. The film, directed by Zoya Akhtar, was released in 2011 and narrates the story of three friends played by Hrithik Roshan, Abhay Deol and Farhan Akhtar who take a trip to Spain. On Friday, Abhay Deol took to Instagram to speak about how the film was treated at the award functions. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, released in 2011, need to chant this title to myself every day nowadays. Also a great watch when anxious or stressed, he stated. I would like to mention that almost all the award functions demoted me and Farhan from main leads and nominated us as supporting actors. Hrithik and Katrina were nominated as actors in a leading role. So by the industry's own logic, this was a film about a man and a woman falling in love, with the man supported by his friends for whatever decision he takes, he wrote. At a time when the film industry is dealing with the sudden demise of Sushant Singh Rajput and there are serious conversations about mental health as well as dealing with professional pressure, every word of optimism counts. Megastar Amitabh Bachchan took to Instagram to share a piece of wisdom that his late father Harivanshan Rai Bachchan shared with him. Better if it is not as per your will. I didn't understand when Babuji taught me this at a distinct turn of my life. How can it be better if it is not as per our will? When he explained, I understood. If it is not as per your will, then it's God's will, and God will always want your good. So it's better. Richa Chadda and Ali Fazal have been dating for quite some time now, and they were to tie the knot in April this year. However, due to the coronavirus outbreak, they had to postpone their wedding indefinitely. In a tragic turn of events, Ali Fazal's mother passed away on June 17th in Lucknow. The actor is currently grieving and has posted a couple of heartfelt messages for her mother. Richa Chadda has stood by his side like a pillar and took her Instagram to write an emotional note remembering her. The caption reads, "Love at a dead end is grief. Rest in peace, Auntie. You left us yesterday, but you will always be around. I will always remember you as a lady ahead of her time. A vicious leader, feminist, and cupcake lover. I promise to take care of your son. Hope you find your peace, and I miss you already." Kunal Khemu and his daughter Inaya are an absolute delight to watch. From grooving to Bhangra to including in intense conversations, Kunal and Inaya are the cutest father-daughter duo around. Kunal had even said that Inaya keeps Soha and him busy during the lockdown while others figure out what to do next. Sharing an adorable candid picture where both of them are enjoying their time on the terrace, Kunal called Inaya as his personal sunshine. The caption reads, "My personal little sunshine under the dark clouds." Take a look at the picture that he shared, and we bet it will leave you gazing over the duo. Serbian dancer actress Natasha was in for a pleasant surprise from her fiancé Indian all-rounder Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya presented her 2 big buckets of roses with a mushy note to boot. Natasha took to Instagram stories and reposted a photograph of Pandya holding the 2 buckets. "Roses for my Rose," he wrote. Sunny Leone took time out to walk in some California sun and breathe fresh air. Sunny Leone, who is currently in USA, took to Instagram where she shared a photograph of herself sporting a beautiful powder cloud summer dress. The picture seems to have been taken on her terrace. "Nothing beats the California sun and fresh air," she captioned the image. Among Bollywood stars with whom late actor Sushant Singh Rajput worked as a backup dancer during his struggle phase, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is one of them. And on Thursday, the normally reclusive actress took to social media to express her condolences. "Rest in peace, Sushant. Prayers and strength to your family and loved ones," the actress wrote on Instagram story. Actress Fatima Sana Sheikh says she laughed off reports of her dating her Dangal co-star Sania Malhotra. "We simply laughed about it. Just because we are good friends, they assumed the worst," she said, talking about the rumor. Asked about 3 things that she learned from Sania Malhotra, Fatima Sana Sheikh said, "I have learned a lot from her. From 1, Sania likes to keep everything clean. While she is an introvert and I am an extrovert, I learned to hold myself back at times. I also learned a lot from her dedication to work." Talking about her diverse religious background and upbringing, Fatima Sana Sheikh said, "It makes me feel like the ideal poster girl for secular India." On Bollywood superstars, Fatima clearly likes Shah Rukh Khan. "I would love to see Shah Rukh Khan strip on the streets of Mumbai," she said.